Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the playback speed on TikTok posts. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So once you open up TikTok and you find a post you want to change the speed on, just hold your finger down on that video. If you scroll along, you should see playback speed. So you can just click on there and you can obviously speed it up to 2x, 1.5x. You have the option to keep it on normal, or you can also slow it down to 0.5x if you wish to do so. You can also click on the share symbol on the bottom right, and if you scroll along the bottom, it should also give you this option on here as well. And it'll obviously give you the 4 options. Once you scroll to the next video, it will reset back to normal. But that's how you can change the playback speed on TikTok. Thanks for watching.